Good afternoon, everyone. It's Carol here from Makeover747.com. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how my back deck got resurrected. It was looking pretty tired and dismal, and didn't really have the money to hire a contractor to come and do it all and like rip it down, and they could have done it in probably a week. As it was, my hubby helped with this, and it took almost a year. There's still a couple of little things that need to be done, but at least I can use it again and hopefully have some people over for a barbecue. Okay, so yesterday I started stripping and sanding down the stair treads here on my back deck. The plan is we're going to replace all these boards. There's some rotten ones over there, but I don't think we can save these other ones when we tear them up. So yeah, that's going to be, I guess, phase 1 or 2 of the plan. Well, we finally started on the deck makeover. I'll start taking out some of the railings here. Tried to get some of these boards out. They're kind of glued in with this silicone caulking, so we've got to get that done. Hopefully Dave will be here shortly to work on that. And we've got one side of the boards for the privacy wall removed, and that's all going to be replaced as well. So I'm going to do a little bit at a time. And yeah, I get this all new. I've got all new boards coming for the floor and new boards for the privacy wall. We'll shore up the beams and whatever needs to be done down below to make sure it's all good and sturdy. And new railing, and this is actually really high railing. So it's going to be a little bit lower. It's going to be the 36 inches, which is the code height, building code height for railings. So, and this here little section is going to be another part of a privacy wall. But since I'm also getting that siding replaced because there's some broken bits and I'm changing color anyway, we'll get that done before we put the new privacy wall up. Okay, so a little bit more progress. We got the beams up there, so we can start putting the privacy wall up, so we won't be looking at my neighbor and my neighbor won't be looking at me. And then we can get the rails up, and we just have some deck boards over here still to do. So that's where we're at. Okay, we got the holes dug for the sonotubes, and the sonotubes are in, and now we're waiting for the cement. Today is an exciting day. Finally getting some more progress done on the deck. Part of a wall there. And I have some new stairs. Wow. So exciting. Anyway, this is where we're at. Okay, we finally got this filled in here with the foam, and we have it caulked, and it's on channel, so it's at an angle, so the water will run off when it goes through the deck boards. Now we finally get to put on the rest of the deck boards. So here we are, almost a year later, and I almost have my back deck done. So I will show you what we have done. We finally got the railing on the stairs here, and I also put the solar cap lights on, and I say it's almost done because there's still a few little things that need to get done. Up here on the railings, I would like to have the horizontal piece put there for the handrail, so when I get a little bit more money I can get that done. And this back piece still needs to be replaced, so that needs to be cut out very carefully and have another piece cut in to fit that. And I also want to stain it. I got a stain here from a plant there. I'm not sure if there's anything else to do, but I mean, at least it looks kind of done, so we can finally use it, and I'm quite happy about that. So yeah, so we got the back wall is done, and as you can see, I've got my tomato plants out here right now. Well, if you've made it this far in the video, I thank you so much for watching. And of course, the next step is the more fun one, which is actually getting to decorate it and hopefully have some people over for a barbecue. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.